Hi, my name is Marian, your technology friend. Today, we finally have it. We have the iPhone 14 Pro Max in silver in my hands. And I'm going to tell you all about how to buy an iPhone 14 in the cheapest way possible while unboxing this phone. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. So if you're looking to buy an iPhone 14, you must be shocked by the prices of Power Mac, Beyond the Box, or other official Apple resellers because their prices are not even close to Apple's official SRP. They're actually 5,000 to 6,000 pesos more depending if you are getting the regular 14s or the Pro phones. This is because they are factoring in the interest charges when you opt for installment. So if they tell you it is 0% interest installments, they are straight up lying to you. The interest charges are baked into their price already. Their cash price is also more expensive than the SRP by 1,000 pesos, so absolutely they are not the cheapest way to buy an iPhone 14. Except for Inbox though, their cash prices are cheaper than SRP, but their installment prices are more expensive. But this is not the cheapest way to buy an iPhone 14. Another option is to buy the iPhone 14 through apple.com, which is cheaper compared to official resellers like Power Mac. But really, the absolute cheapest way to buy an iPhone 14 is through online resellers like Mobilizer, which is where I got this iPhone 14 Pro Max from. I cannot tell you the price now because depending on when you watch this video, their price could be a lot lower than SRP. As of now, it is definitely cheaper than SRP, so you're already winning if you buy today. So if you want to know their real-time prices, I left their link in the description below. Give them a message and let them know I referred you to them. But yeah, online resellers can help you save between 5,000 to 10,000 pesos depending on what model you buy and what time frame you are buying. The iPhone 14 was released in September 2022, and the farther date you are buying from September 2022, the cheaper their prices can get. Also, because they carry international and local variants of the iPhone 14, you can get a Hong Kong variant that has dual physical SIMs, which is what I have here, or opt for an NTC variant, which are the iPhones we get in the Philippines. If you want to learn more about the different dual SIM iPhone 14s, click the video on the top right corner or the link in the description. Also, shout out to Mujo for sending me their vegetable tan leather case. It feels very good and luxurious, and over time, it will be even softer. I love leather cases and I appreciate that they sent this to me. If you're looking for a leather case that is cheaper than Apple's leather case, this is a great alternative. I will leave their link in the description for you to check them out. And that's mainly it. That's how you buy the iPhone 14 in the cheapest way possible. If you know any other ways, let us know in the comments below. And if you want more Apple content and iPhone 14 content, hit that like and subscribe button as I will be uploading more in the next couple of weeks. Click the thanks button also and donate to the channel if you appreciate the videos I make. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook with the username @Mauyoni. While waiting for my next videos, click the playlist on the left side to watch more of my Apple content. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you on the next video.